Hi, my name is Kat Kerr, and today I'm playing with cardboard on my gel press plate. Now, before we get started, I first have to admit something, and that is that I have been collecting pieces of cardboard for this particular video. I am just obsessed with this honeycomb pattern that you can often find in some packing, and I just knew it would be an awesome texture on the plate. Now this is all play and I have no plan in mind. I am just playing with these different textures. Here I'm using black cardstock as well as acrylic paint, and I am just spreading that acrylic paint onto the gel press plate, and then I press the texture directly onto the paint, and then I pull a print. Now I chose a black cardstock for my base. I did that just because I really prefer a nice grungy background, and I feel like black helps me to achieve that. But you can use any substrate you want, white cardstock, white copy paper, toned paper, whatever you like. I had a total of about 5 or 6 pieces of black cardstock, and I just wanted to keep adding layer upon layer. And so I would add my base texture, my base layer onto that black cardstock, and then I would go in with a different color and a different texture of cardboard, and then I would add some on top of the existing first layer. And I didn't want to cover the entire thing, and so I would just gently press it on to the plate and just do a quick swipe and just pick up a little bit of that color, as you can see there. And I'm just going to continue to do this until I'm happy with the overall look. Now here I'm creating another layer by taking the paint that has built up on that piece of cardboard and pressing it onto one of my existing monoprints. And I'm kind of doing double duty here by creating a monoprint and also creating another layer on an existing monoprint. Now, who knew that using only cardboard would create such wonderful prints? Now, I decided to finish these prints with one of my new stencils, and here I'm just adding acrylic paint. Then I press the stencil directly on top of it, add a piece of copy paper to remove the excess, and then I remove the stencil, place my monoprint directly on top of that, and pull a print. And here I'm using just a plain white Jelly Roll pen to highlight some of the areas. You can also use a black permanent marker, whatever you choose, but overall I'm really happy with the way these came out. They're just full of delicious texture. Well, I hope that you enjoyed this video, and for more ideas on using your gel press, make sure you check out gelpress.com. Thanks for watching.